The perfect 10-minute weight loss workout for beginners. When I was a beginner in fitness, I wasted years doing useless things, and I struggled to make changes to my body. Instead, if someone showed me what to focus on, and what to ignore, I would have made far better use of my time and gotten far better results. That's why I'm here to help you out with the perfect 10-minute weight loss workout for beginners. So you know exactly what you should and shouldn't spend your time on. Today, I'm sharing with you this simple, beginner-approved workout that's perfect even if you only have 10 minutes. Number 1. Squats. The squat is, hands down, the best lower body exercise no matter your fitness goal. The great thing about doing the goblet variation is it helps you learn how to squat correctly. Because you're holding a weight in front of you, which activates your core, keeps your weight on your heels, and lets you squat deeper. Complete 5 reps. Number 2. Push-ups. Whether it's a high school gym class, military boot camp, or facility with pro athletes, everyone does the push-up. Why? Because it works. It's the best upper body exercise, because it builds foundational strength and targets so many muscles at once. Plus, push-ups are a stellar form of strength training, which is known to shrink body fat. Complete 5 reps. Number 3. Dead bugs. Having a strong core carries over to virtually everything you do. Whether you're playing sports or just trying to feel great and avoid injuries, your abs and obliques stabilize and protect your body while moving. And the dead bug is an incredibly effective exercise you can do anywhere to target your midsection and burn fat. Number 4. Side lunges. Keep your neck long with shoulders back and down away from your ears. Engage your core. Sit back on your heels. Complete 5 reps. Number 5. Plank. Planks are a popular exercise that targets the core muscles, including the abs, back, and shoulders. They help improve posture, balance, and stability. Keep your body straight and hold this position for 1 minute, rest for 15 seconds, and repeat for 5 sets.